I've got this iPad Pro, it's the latest gen. It's got a USB-C here. I wonder if I can connect the MK3 to it. Let's find out. Now I'm going to that's the wrong one. Here's the bus connector. Let's pull that out. Let's connect it. Let's see if we can get the same controls with the bus connector through USB-C. No. This is local. I may have to restart it because, so I just restarted it. Can I see my Quattro 2 through USB-C? I don't see it. It may not be programmed for it. Let's refresh here. No. I can't see it. Yeah, it looks like I'm stuck using the laptop. Okay, I'm going to do a little close-up here. Hopefully you can see it a little better. This is the Quattro 2. That's the programming screen. You can see AC input 1 ignored, AC input 2 ignored. So I go up here to get the enable settings activated. This is where you type in ZZZ. Here's the general. You don't mess with this generally. Grid. You don't mess with this one either unless you're on a weak generator. Inverter. This one you also don't really need to mess with except for possibly activating the ground relay. Charge and AC input, these are your most important ones. Charger. Enable charger, yes. You want your charge current set to 70 is good, 50 is, you can make this a lower number if your battery is smaller. But the most important parts are make sure you have settings for batteries. Also your AC input control. This one is the most critical. You want conditional AC input enabled. Now you can do it based on load if you want, but I want the SOC. Connect when SOC drops below 10%. The only thing is, in order to do this, you need to have your SOC tracking by the Quattro enabled, because it will not use your link shunt. Even if you, maybe the Quattro listens to the link shunt and then matches it, but it will not know what your SOC is unless the Quattro is tracking SOC. And maybe it just gets its data from the link shunt, but it doesn't matter. You have to enable it. Oh, and how you enable the charger, the Quattro tracking, you go to General. Just go down to the bottom where it says Enable Battery Monitor. These other things, and also you want it overruled by remote activated. Because that allows you to change these from your servo control panel or your remote desktop control. So if you don't enable these, if you disable these, you will not be able to change these numbers on other control panels. It's kind of weird, but that's just how it is. And it seems like you can only get to it through this USB link. So this MK3 adapter is really critical. You need at least one MK3 to support your different Victron inverters.